Serenity is a classic contemporary villa situated in one of Marbella's most exclusive and secure communities. Cascada de Camojan, so named for its famous waterfalls and surrounding natural park, is the most tranquil of areas, yet only 2 kilometers from the famous Golden Mile. Serenity nestles in the foothills of the beautiful Concha mountain and offers its new owner a rare combination of peace, tranquility and stimulation. The villa has been designed and built to appeal to all the senses, from its immaculate and extensive 5,300 metres of gardens through its 4 floors of luxurious, carefully considered accommodation. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy serenity.